Hi first grade families. I'm going to show you how to find your child's daily assignments for each week. You can see I have a grid that looks like this on my screen. I'm going to show you how to get to this grid so that you can find all of our daily assignments. All of our materials will always be in your child's Learner folder and then their Go folder. So you can see I'm on the class page right now. I'm going to go back to the main page just so that you can find it from where I found it. All of our class pages look like this. So you're going to go down and you're going to find your child's orange Learner folder, then the green Go folder, and then you'll be able to find My Weekly Assignments. You can see this purple folder is here because this was the assignment for the first day of school. That won't always be there, but for right now we left it up there to show you that that's where you found that folder too. Click on My Weekly Assignments and you'll find the grid that I showed you when we first started this video. You can click on the day of the week to find out what assignments your child has for that day. Your child's going to have assignments every single day. This is different than when we did remote learning in the springtime because they had a whole week to complete their assignments. You're going to click on the day of the week and you'll find some assignments written by subject. You also will see up in the corner, it'll show you what our special of the day is. I'm going to show you a couple of things. If you're looking for this special of the day, you can watch a specials video of your music teacher, your gym teacher, your art, or even your library teacher. If you want to be able to find your child's special video, you have to go find your specials teacher's course. Just like when you clicked on the Schoology app and you found our course, you'll be able to click on the Schoology app and find your teacher's course. Now, if I try to show you that right now, it's not going to show up that way because I'm a teacher. I'm not a student. But on your child's iPad, when you click on Courses, you'll find probably a picture of your art, music, library, or gym teacher right in here to show you which course is your specific special for the day. That's where you'll be able to find a video of our special. Now let's go back and let's take a look at our weekly assignments because I'm going to show you one more thing that your child's going to get to explore this week. I'm going back to the Go folder and I'm going back to my weekly assignments folder. I'm going to click on Monday and it says practice your sight words in the sight word room. And you may be confused what that is, but we're going to have some really cool online classrooms that your children are going to get to go to do some practice. You might be wondering where those rooms are. Well, if I scroll down on my screen, there's the sight word room, and we opened it up for you. If you look up, that was in the weekly assignments folder where our weekly assignment slide is, and then we just had to find the sight word room. There's going to be all kinds of other rooms that we're going to open up for you too, for math and writing and foundations, but we're only going to open up one room at a time. Let's take a look at the sight word room. The sight word room has all of the first grade teachers, Mrs. Baker, Mrs. Clancy, Mrs. Shue, and Mrs. Rankin. We've worked really hard to create some sight word activities for your children to practice their words. This is interactive. You'll click on the numbers and it'll take you to a special sight word activity that you can try with your child. There's even going to be opportunities for your child to download some apps. And so let's take a look and see. One of the numbers on our sight word wall will teach you how to download an app so that you can practice your sight words through an app. There's a step-by-step direction right on the page to help you. This is something your child's going to get to interact with every single day. So when it tells you in your weekly assignments that your child needs to go to one of these rooms, you'll be able to find them in the weekly assignments folder. You just scroll right to the bottom and you'll be able to find it. If you have any questions as we start our daily assignments, please don't hesitate to email your child's teacher.